I'm Oscar Robertson.
Oh, holy crapping God, it's raining really heavily outside! Why am I even doing this? Oh, shit! Do you know what I've decided? I've decided I'll never do that again. Do you know what? You learn something every day. Oh my God, why is it raining so hard outside? Why? Oh, I'm getting soaking wet here. Oh, why don't you have an umbrella, you silly man? Get one. Marks and Spencer's, there's a sale. Wait, I'll check. Yeah, half price. Yeah, it's half price. Why don't you go now, you twat? You're getting your hair all wet.